Malacanang is appealing to the public to give retired Police Director Lina Sarmiento a chance to prove herself as a head of a board overseeing the distribution of some 10 billion pesos in compensation to martial law victims. Presidential spokesman Edwin Leasierra said Sarmiento is considered a security sector reformist who had been highly recommended to head the board. During her stint in the Philippine National Police, Sarmiento had been assigned to head the PNP Human Rights Affairs Office.
Una si Lina Sarmiento, kung kilala po ninyo siya, he is what we call a security sector reform advocate. Kilala po siya sa security sector as an advocate. Kung yung takot nyo, wala pa po siya nung panahon ng martial law na wala siya sa liderato. In fact, wala sa leadership ng present PNP na miyembro po nung dreaded PC noon. What I mean, they're not part of the leadership of the PC then. And si Lina Sarmiento is viewed as a reformist, security sector reformist ang kanyang pagkakilala. So let's give her a chance. Siguro let's see, kasama po niya dito sa board maraming mga na-recommenda rin mga human rights advocates. So let's give Ms. Sarmiento a chance to prove herself.